time to head home, down the long I-5, dry, barren, and out of water. To shorten our last day of driving, we stopped for our final night at our friend's house near Frazier Park. We parked the trailer in front of the donkey and goat pen, fed and pet the animals, and enjoyed a beautiful afternoon with Carol and Stan on the deck with wine, cheese, and crackers. This is Harley, the big donkey. Unfortunately, he is now in donkey heaven. The two little ones are a little more skittish, but they did warm up to us after a while.
I would like to explore you.
No cheese or crackers for the donkeys, just carrots.
I would like to explore with you. I promise I can be brave. I would like you to lead me to the cave of your mind behind.
And the goats, well, they had goat food. I can't remember this one's name, but he's my new favorite. We watched the hummingbirds and later watched the bunnies and quail come for their afternoon snack. It took Carol's dog Bella a little while to realize the big black dog wasn't there to stay, and Lexi, who loves little white fluffy dogs, was in heaven.
I would like to assure you that I would like to be sure with you. I promise I can be strong. I would like you to join me in a mission to salvage what is rightfully mine. However long it just takes patience, that is all that we need. However strong my hesitations, I will follow.
Our dinner on the deck was fabulous.
However much it seems my heart's not in this, trust me it is. I'm just not used to this bliss.
A gorgeous sunset and lightning in the clouds to the east. And then Lexi discovered Carol had a couch. A fantastic last night in this beautiful setting, and it made for our last day of driving just a couple of quick hours home.